Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to run OpenClaw smoothly 24/7, then this video going to save you a lot of time, money and frustration. Quick disclosure before we start. We have relationship with some of brand featured in this video. When you shop through this link in the description, we will earn commission at no additional cost to you. Now let's get into it. If you want flexibility and serious cloud performance, Kamatera is one of the strongest contender right now. What I really like is they now offer one-click OpenClaw setup, super customizable servers, and enterprise-grade infrastructure. You can scale CPU, RAM, and storage with just a few clicks anytime. So if your automation grows later, you won't need to migrate anywhere. Another big advantage, they offer a 30-day free trial with $100 credit, which is amazing for testing OpenClaw without paying upfront. So this is the best for advanced user, developers, or anyone planning production level automation. Only downside, many services can be expensive. If you are on a budget, Contabo is honestly hard to beat. For just a few dollars monthly, you get multiple CPU core, a lot of RAM and maybe storage, and huge bandwidth. Recently, they have also introduced one-click OpenClaw setup, so beginners can get started much faster. This is perfect if you want maximum resource at a low cost, or you are experimenting with AI agents cheaply. The only thing, support is mostly ticket based and the pricing outside Europe can be slightly higher. But overall, the value for money is insane. Now for beginners, DigitalOcean is probably cleanest, easiest experience. Their dashboard is super beginner friendly. They offer multiple ways to deploy OpenClaw, manual setup, one-click apps, and full app platform deployment. What I personally like is the simplicity. If you never used a VPS before, DigitalOcean feels less overwhelming. So this is ideal for first-time VPS user, developers, and the people who want balance between power and simplicity. Now this one is interesting. Hosting is targeting the users who don't want to deal with the technical complexity. They have made OpenClaw development extremely beginner friendly. What is unique here is they even integrate AI credit directly to the dashboard. So instead of manually configuring API providers separately, everything becomes more UI based. You can literally deploy OpenClaw, add credit, connect Telegram or WhatsApp and start automatic. So this is best for complete beginners, non-technical users, and solo creators. The downside, I wouldn't recommend it for heavy production workload yet, but for learning and smaller automations, it's a very convenient. And finally, Vultr. Vultr is quite popular among developers because of its high frequency CPU and global data centers. You get strong performance, excellent uptime, GPU options, cloud firewall, DDoS protection, and flexible scaling. It's more developer oriented though, so you will likely use SSH and configure things manually. If you are comfortable with Linux server, Vultr is an excellent production grade option. They also offer free trial credits for new users. Here the simple answer. If you want easiest setup, go for Hostinger, best beginner experience, DigitalOcean, cheapest powerful server, Contabo, best scalability, Kamatera, best for developer, Vultr. Honestly, there is no perfect VPS for everyone. It depends on your budget, technical skill, and how serious your automation project is. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe us, and don't forget to check the links in the description if you want to try any of them.